Hey guys, this is Pam and once again welcome to another cooking video. Today I have a very interesting recipe and I'm gonna be making a chutney. So this is cooked chicken liver and gizzard, and these are the ingredients I'll be using. Chutney with this stinky beans, and as always king chili, and these are coriander stems I'll be using, and I have some ginger, garlic, onion, and also the chives number. So with that said, let's start preparing. Let's start making chutney. Add some salt and let's crush it together. Once you are done crushing, add the ginger, garlic and coriander stem. This one is already crushed before, okay? Once it is mixed properly, I'm gonna add the liver first. Slowly, one by one. Now I'm going to cut the gizzard, slice it into thinner size. After slicing the gizzard, add some namrai and let's mix it all together. Wow, smells super amazing. And last ingredients, let's add the yongchak maru. Mix it again. I know I just discovered this recipe randomly. Usually I don't like chicken liver, so either I discard it or I make chutney. But one day I just randomly cook chicken curry, and at the time I had some stinky beans, so I just mix it, and that's how I realized that this combination is quite good. It suits well, tastes good, so I just want to share the recipe with you guys. I wonder, have you ever tried this before? If not, then definitely you should try it. And here it comes. Finally, it's done, today's recipe, and this is how it looks like. It smells so awesome, tastes amazing, incredible, and it's a bit spicy as always since I've added one full king chili. So I want you guys to try this out once. You won't get disappointed. Those who eat non-veg, especially chicken, you can try this. And the ingredients are easily available in the market, except for the stinky beans. You will get in the Nordic shop, any Nordic shop, dry one. So you have to soak overnight to puff up, to look fresh. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's watching video. Thank you so much for watching. Always eat, enjoy and stay healthy. See you in my next video. Bye.